Hello children, welcome to our EVS class. Today I am going to teach about how we celebrate festivals. So in the previous class we have learned about the festivals celebrated in our country. So many festivals we celebrate. Yes, some are national festivals, some are religious festivals. What are the national festivals? Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day, Children's Day. As children, and religious festivals, Christmas, Dasara, Diwali, Holi. As children, these are the religious festivals, and some are local festivals and harvest festivals. So what are the harvest festivals? Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ripe for harvesting. Means పంటలు పండినాక మనం ఇంటికి తీసుకొచ్చినాక మనం పండుగ చేసుకుంటాం కదా, దట్ ఆర్ ద హార్వెస్ట్ ఫెస్టివల్స్. పొంగల్ పంట మన చేతికి వచ్చినాక మనం పండుగ చేసుకుంటాం కదా, పొంగల్ అనేది సంక్రాంతి కదా. సో హియర్ harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are ripe for harvesting. So after gathering the crops from the field, we celebrate harvest festivals. So Holi and Pongal, these are the harvest festival. So Holi is the harvest festival. So everyone likes this festival. Yes, so we play with the colors on this day. Yes children, so people throw colors on each other. Yes, so that is the Holi. And next one is the Pongal. So Pongal, it is also a harvest festival and it is celebrated by the people of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And this festival is celebrated for 3 days. How many days? 3 days. Means Bogi, Kanuma, Sankranti and antam kada. As children. So that is. Okay, this Pongal is celebrated for 3 days. So what do we do on this day? So people, they decorate the houses and they make beautiful colored rangoli in front of their houses and they sing and dance around the rangolis and people make different varieties of dishes as children. So that is the celebration on a Pongal day. Okay children, and next one is the Raksha Bandhan, and this Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brother and sister. So sister tie a Rakhi on a brother's wrist. Here, wrist means what? This one. Okay, ikkade kada kattedi. So sister tie a Rakhi to her brother's wrist, and even girl tie a Rakhi even a known or unknown person, unknown boy. Okay, he becomes a brother to that girl. Yes, Lana. So we tie Rakhi to our cousins also. Who are the cousins? Uncles, aunts. Uncles, aunts means uncles means babai, pedanana. Aunts means pinni, peddamma, wala pillal. Yes, they are the cousins. So girls tie Rakhi to their cousins also. Yes, Nana. So they also become brothers to that girl. So it is a Raksha. Ante enduku kadutundi Raksha kada, evariki annayaki Raksha laga kadutundi. As children, and next Diwali. So Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. So children like this festival very much. Why? On this day, children burn the crackers. Yes, so that's why they like this festival very much. So here, Diwali is the festival of lights and people keep clay lamps outside of their house. People keep clay lamps on the outside of their house and children, they burn the crackers. So but while burning the crackers, we should not be there. We should move away from the burning crackers. Okay, so if we stand near burning crackers, we also get burns. as children. So we must be very careful while burning crackers. So some people means businessman. Some business people, they celebrate this Diwali as a New Year's Day. As a New Year's Day means actually we celebrate New Year's Day on January 1st. But some business people, they celebrate this Diwali as a New Year's Day. And they pray, they worship Goddess Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi of wealth. Okay children, they pray or they worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. Wealth ante ధనాన్ని ప్రసాదించారు మాత. Okay children, goddess of wealth. Lakshmi ధనాన్ని ప్రసాదిస్తుంది కదా. So on this day they worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. And next one, Dasara. What is the next one? So Dasara celebrations are a sign of victory of good over evil. అంటే చెడు మీద మంచి గెలిచింది కదా. సో ఆ రోజుని దసరాగా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, దసరా ఇస్ సెలబ్రేటెడ్ యాజ్ అ విక్టరీ ఆఫ్ గుడ్ ఓవర్ evil. Evil means చెడు. ఓకే, so that is why it is also known as a Vijayadashami. That's why it is also known as a Vijayadashami. So in some states they celebrate as a Durga Puja. This festival is celebrated as a Durga Puja. Means Durga Devi kills Mahishasura. Okay children, so here this is the festival of Dasara. So Dasara festival is celebrated as a sign of victory of good over evil. Okay children, so this festival is also known as a Vijayadashami. అంటే విజయం సాధించారు కదా. So that's why it is also called as a Vijayadashami. And in some states they celebrate this festival is celebrated as a Durga Puja. Okay children, and next one is a Eid. So this festival is celebrated by the Muslims. Okay, it is the festival of Muslims. So this Eid is celebrated after the month of long fasting. Means before Ramjan they fast for 30 or 35 days. Okay children, so after fasting they celebrate. After fasting of 1 month they celebrate this festival. Okay, what do they do on this festival? Some Muslims offer prayers in a idgas. Okay children, Muslims offer namaz in idgas, and namaz is a form of prayer. And after namaz they hug each other. Means they greet everyone. They greet with each other, and after that they give food and sweet to the poor people. Okay children, so they give food to the sweets what they prepared on the day, they give to the poor children. Okay children, this is Eid or Ramjan. It is also called as a Ramjan. So this is the festival of Muslim. Okay children, and they celebrate this festival after a month of long fasting of Ramjan. Okay, and they offer prayers. Means namaz in a idgas. Okay, namaz it is a form of prayer. Okay children, and after namaz people hug and greet one another with love, with affectionately. Children, and what they prepare on the day, they give to the poor people, food or sweets. Okay, whatever they wish. Okay children, next one, Christmas. What is the next one? Christmas. So Christmas is the festival is celebrated by the Christians. Okay, this festival is celebrated on 25th December every year. Okay, children, on birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, this festival is celebrated on birthday of Jesus Christ. So what do we do on this day? They keep the Christmas tree in a house and they decorate with the gifts and flowers and with the lights. Yes, children, they keep Christmas tree in the house. They arrange some gifts and they decorate with the lights. Okay, children, and Santa Claus, the people believe Santa Claus brings the gifts to the children. Bring gifts to the children. Okay, children. And next one, Gurpurb. Gurpurb is the festival celebrated on the birthday of Guru Nanak. And Buddha Purnima is celebrated on birthday of Buddha. And Mahavira Jayanti is celebrated on the birthday of Mahavira. And everyone celebrates all this festival. We must participate in all these festivals. Means these festivals brings happiness in our life. Okay, children, did you understand this lesson? Okay. So here, Holi and Pongal are the harvest festival. Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brother and sister. Diwali is the festival of lights. Dasara is the festival of sign of victory of good over evil. Eid or Ramzan, it is a festival of Muslims. And Christmas, it is celebrated by the Christians. Okay, it is celebrated on birthday of Jesus Christ. Gurpurb, it is celebrated on birthday of Guru Nanak. And Buddha Purnima, it is celebrated on birthday of Buddha. And Mahavira Jayanti is celebrated on birthday of Mahavira. Yes, children, okay, did you understand all this? Okay, good. Read this lesson, okay.